Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kind of March intro to my plans and my goals for this month, and then also a wrap up of February. I got done. I stayed on task in February, which made me happy. I didn't get as ahead as I would like, but I'm starting the process of feeling a little bit on top of things and ahead. So that's always good. As for my How to Kill a Kit, I literally have one page left. I even have it planned, and I have, but all I have left are these two big chunks, this paper, and that most of that will get used in this page, as well as this is all the embellishments I have left. So honestly, I'm gonna make a page here this week, and you guys will see that soon. And yeah, that'll be that one. So that'll be done. So that's not too bad for that kit. This kit this month is a little bit bigger, but I'm hoping I will use it more than just here and there. I'm hoping I will use it a lot more. So this is a paper issues kit. Cassie puts together some of the best kits. So this theme for March is reading. So I was trying to think of a kit that I have already that embodies just like comfy capturing stories, which books. And then I think what I will do is I will gather as many photos as I can of us reading or about my reading goals this year too, is what I think I'm going to document. And I tried to think of what papers do I want to do that with. I have a reading cut file that was just released from Confessions of a Paper Addict that I will be playing with this. I'm just not going to show it to you right now. But so I promise it will be reading, but a lot of the stuff in this one, in this kit, is Home Sweet Home. And where do I do most of my reading? At home. So this, or not Home Sweet Home, what is it? I think Bungalow Lane. Is that the collection? Yes. But the thickers are called Home Sweet Home. So a lot of these, a lot of these things are cozy. They make me think of being home and doing things like that. So that is why I chose this collection. So we've got these thickers. We have some Citrus Twist enamel dots. Actually, no, this is a Citrus Twist kit, not paper issues. Just kidding. This is a Citrus Twist kit because there's Citrus Twist exclusives for this kit. These alphas, the floral embellishments come in this, and so do the thicker alphas. Called Handmade from Bungalow Lane. So there's a lot of Bungalow Lane in here. The kit comes with some cardstock and some sequins. I got a white piece, I think just one, right? Yep, and a piece of dark blue. We got specialty paper, and it kind of screams spring to me. So that's another reason I wanted to use it. Oh, maybe that sequin was just like stuck there. Okay. So then we get number 24 from Bungalow Lane. We get number 7 from Bungalow Lane. We get 20 from Bungalow Lane. Jen had Fill the Avenue, which is ironic because that's what I was just playing with for Stash Smash Saturday. I believe this is a Vicky Boutin. Yes, Vicky Boutin Storyteller. Another 11 Bungalow Lane. This is another Bungalow Lane. This is one, number 3. This is another Jen Hadfield. The Avenue, some of my favorite ones from, oh no, this is Amy Tan. Just kidding. That's another collection I need to start doing. And then number 17 from Bungalow Lane. So it's a lot of Bungalow Lane, but I haven't really played with Bungalow Lane. So I figured let's grab this. So this is for sure what's in my kit. So I still have some things I need to gather. I'm going to go find, so reading is homey to me, so that is why I picked all this. So I'm going to find a bunch of photos throughout the month that will be reading involved. I'm going to find anything else that I think is reading themed. I think I'm going to bring in these epoxy, because these colors are like perfect. These hearts I just got from Scrap and Happy Studio. What else? Is there anything else over here that I got from them? I got these canvas Those would go really well too. I gotta organize that stuff. Yeah, it's a mess. So bear with me. I know this doesn't show you everything, but it's 30 days of sketches this month as well. I did not get started on them as best I can, but you can know that every time I make a layout, it's going to be a 30 days of sketches sketch this month, pretty much, except for some of my design team layouts. So those will not be. But you can bet your boots that if it's not a design team layout, it'll be a 30 days of sketches layout. So this Saturday you'll see layouts. Oh, and obviously my Freaky Fast formulas won't be because they're Freaky Fast formulas, and that'd be really hard to do a Freaky Fast formula with a sketch unless it happened to just work out magically, which let me tell you is probably not happening. But that is what I have planned. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I'm going to keep on doing the same things I want to do every month. I'm hoping to join in a couple other things too, but you know, sometimes that doesn't happen. I'm looking at my to-do list from last month and yep, some of that did not happen. But we have new things to start with, so it's a new month, start fresh, right? It's going to be a busy month for me too at work, so we will see. Hopefully I can get things... hopefully I'll get the time to work on this more than I did last month, but I have a feeling it's going to be about the same. So yeah, there we go. That's what I got for you. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who is playing along with How to Kill a Kit with Style down below and see what their kits consist of. But this will be next to me all month long so I can play with it and we'll see how much I can use up of it. All right, stay tuned for more.